While working in the editor, you can easily copy elements to quickly recreate their look and functionality in other blocks, columns, and even sites. This allows you to speed up your design work and easily replicate the elements you need. To copy an element, move the cursor over the element and click on the three dots. Then select Copy from the drop-down list. To paste the copied element, click on Add an element in the desired location and select Paste. Or hover over the element you want to place the copied element below, click on the ellipsis, and select Paste from the drop-down list. The first time you perform this action, you will need to give Weblium access to the clipboard. If you have accidentally denied access to the clipboard, you can allow it, using the Chrome browser as an example, by clicking on the icon to the left of the web address and activating the switch. Or, in your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security and then Site Settings. In the list of sites, select app.weblium.com, and in the list of permissions, change the settings for clipboard. Done. Reload the tab with the editor and you can paste the copied elements.